Dear educators, welcome back to Student Alliance community. Continuing the Chemix option that we were discussing last time, we're going to talk about a specific element that we can use here. Now, in the chemistry lab, last time we discussed as to how you can take up the diagrams. You can take up the diagrams from here also, but now in case you're looking for a microscope, right? You can place your microscope, and then you have the other experiments where, for example, if you want to use a cover slip. So this is your cover slip. And similarly, if you want to use tweezers or scalpel, you can show these kind of biological experiments. If you want a leaf, if you want to place the leaf under the film, under the microscope, you'll be able to draw that. And similarly, you have the other thing where you can use a cotton wool, you can use a bug, a seed. So you have different options available even for biology, wherein you will be able to draw your lab apparatus directly through this application. Thank you so much.